So hello, good morning, everyone. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. All right, so it's already 11:35. So as usual, waiting time is already over. So we will start now with our agendas. So first, anyone who has a question so far or a clarification? So all of our meetings is actually like a consultation meeting or consultation time with your instructor. So if you have a problem or a concern, so please let me know. And so far, anyone? All right. So maybe while waiting, maybe just in case that you actually have a question, but maybe you just forgot. So, all right, okay then. So the coverage of your final exam. So I think you guys already know that once. Of course, it's all of the modules in finals. However, again, in your module 9, okay, the week 6 module 9. So it's up to slide 45 only. So don't review everything, okay? So up to 45 slides only, or I forgot the last slide of that topic, but yeah, you will see on the video that it's up to 45 or 47 slide only. So the rest you don't need to memorize or familiarize or whatsoever. Okay, so from module 7 to module 9. Okay, so that is the coverage of your final exam. So are we clear so far regarding with that? Any clarification so far regarding with the coverage? So the types of your exam will be some are multiple choice, some are fill in the blanks, okay, and yeah, it's a combination of those. Okay, so let's just say that maybe 50-50 is 50% multiple choice and then 50% fill in the blanks. Okay, so there will be a programming part, but it's a fill in the blanks. Okay. So it's okay, Miss Hazel. So just message me later on and I will reopen the activities that you have missed. Okay. Hello, Miss Hazel. Do you get my message? All right then. Okay. So all right. So there is another message. Mm, all right. So regarding with that, as long as I'm not yet done checking all of your activities, then you guys still have a chance to submit your miss activity. Okay, so probably I'll be able to finish all of checking all of your activities by first week. Okay, first week of second half. So it's like you guys still have 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks time to do all of your miss activities. Okay, so just message me, then I will reopen the activities that you have missed. So are we clear with that one, Miss Janaline? All right then. Okay. So the sooner the better, okay? All right. So what else I need to mention? So coverage of your exam is done. The types of exam is already done. And the date of your final exam will be on this week, October 8th. Yeah, it's coming Friday. So make sure to review or familiarize since most of them are programming. Okay, so there will be a programming part, and then some are applications. And yeah, so that's it. And don't forget to answer the case study number 7. Okay, and then the due dates, most of your activities, your 6 quiz, and your lab number 7 and 8 will be on October 8th also. Okay. And what else? So to those who are still wondering where can you submit the lab number 7 and 8 sample interface only, or just the interface only? So again, I did remove the submission tab for this one since I wanted you guys to submit the complete system itself. Okay, so the one that has with working functionalities. Okay, the one that has the complete code. Okay. So yeah, and of course, as usual, your the total points of your final exam will be 100 points. Okay. So once again, anyone who has a question or clarification, since this is already our last meeting. Yeah. All right. So if none, so just give me a thumbs up, just to let me know that everything is okay, everything is fine. 4, 5. All right, so I don't know to the others. Anyway, so again, if you have a question, so just message me anytime. I always reply as soon as I read your message or concern. Okay, so that's it for today's meeting. Goodbye, and see you guys whenever I will meet again, or we'll have a class. Okay, whenever I will handle maybe some of the other subjects. All right, so happy lunch and keep safe as always.
Happy lunch, sir.
Happy lunch.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.